So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Polkadot, a ticker symbol DOT or DOT on Coinbase. So once you're on your Coinbase app, make sure to go to the bottom here and press on trade. So in between earn and my assets, press on trade. Now, once you're in this screen, simply go to the top to where it says search for an asset and press on the search bar. And on this screen, type in the ticker symbol DOT, which will then bring up Polkadot at the top. So press on Polkadot right here. Once that is done, press on trade and then press on buy DOT with cash. Then once you're on this screen, invest the amount of money that you want to invest into Polkadot coin. So because I am in Canada, I'm going to go ahead and press on 2 and then press on review order once that is done. But this can be whatever amount that you decide to invest into Polkadot, but press review order once you're done. It's now going to take a couple seconds to identify the price, sort of lock in your trade and kind of go from there. So just bear with it while you go to this next screen. Now, once you're on this next screen, simply go to place order to confirm your purchase. And there you go. Once that is done, you have now successfully purchased or bought Polkadot crypto, ticker symbol DOT on Coinbase. And I hope this video helped.